Hi there, welcome to Step by Step Stories. Thanks for following us on Instagram, and thanks also for being a subscriber on our YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk a little bit about wearing your seatbelt. And you know what? I'm not going to lie to you about this. This is a very, very, very important topic for all of us to listen to and to learn. So I'm going to just write that down. Very important. Okay, wearing a seatbelt is really important. People wear their seatbelts in the car, okay, in cars or vehicles, cars, trucks, airplanes, okay, any kind of vehicles. I'll put down vehicles here. In vehicles, okay? People also have to wear seat belts or safety belts when they use wheelchairs. Because a wheelchair is a vehicle. It helps you to move from one place to another. Difference being, a wheelchair, you are using your own energy, or someone is pushing you to get from one spot to another. In a car or a vehicle, a motorized vehicle, there's a lot of force, a lot of energy that is pushing that vehicle. You want to make sure that you are safe, that you are secure, and that you're not going to be moving anywhere until it's safe to do so. And you know what? It is the law. So let's get started with how to put on your seatbelt or your safety belt. So the first thing that you need to do is, when the door is open, sit down. Okay. So for some people, they do not necessarily feel too comfortable. They feel a little bit restricted when they have some kind of a belt that's a little bit snug around them. Okay, unfortunately and fortunately, more fortunately than unfortunately, this is one of those times that you do have to just figure out a way to cope. All right, so the first thing you need to do is you need to sit down. After you do that, okay, when you're sitting comfortably, either yourself, okay, or a person who is going to help you is going to bring your strap, your safety strap or your belt strap, from your shoulder, okay? Some people have a shoulder strap, some people have a double shoulder strap, okay? Some people have a whole special car seat type of situation happening inside their vehicles. Whatever it is, there's going to be a strap that's going to secure you. It's going to secure your shoulders and the top part of your chest. It's also going to go across your waist and secure your legs and your lower torso so that it remains seated. Okay, so you're going to bring your belt over. I'm going to call that actually position it. Okay. Okay, once it's positioned, move around, groove around a little bit, adjust yourself so that you're as comfortable as possible. Once that happens, it's time for you to click yourself in. Okay, and by clicking yourself in, you are allowing the seatbelt to tighten so that you're sitting snugly inside your seat and securely, more importantly, in your seat. And I'm going to put click in. Okay, you're going to click in and you're going to allow your seatbelt to be secure. Okay, and once you've clicked in, then you're ready to, you know what, relax your body and enjoy the ride. Okay? Your body will stay in your seat. Your waist will be secured. Your upper body will be secure. Your lower body will be secure. You can just relax and feel safe. Now the very important part of this, and I was kind of a little bit wondering if I should do a different chart paper because this one looks a little bit scary. I gotta admit it. Okay, but you know what? It's not a joke. If you are not secure in your seat, whether you use a wheelchair, whether you're in a vehicle, if there is a safety belt involved, make sure you are secure. Because if there is an accident, if by mistake something gets tipped over, if another vehicle hits you and you are not secure in your seat, your body will be moving at a very, very strong force and it will get injured. You will get injured. Okay? It is the law and it's a law for a reason. We do not want anybody to be injured. We want people to be injured as little as possible. Wear your seatbelts, wear your safety belts, ask about them if somebody forgets, and take that initiative. All right, I'm gonna show you something over here. This isn't exactly a seatbelt, but it is a belt. Okay, but you can see, okay, when a belt, okay, is not secure, you can move around, all right? However, when a belt is secure, okay, you're not going anywhere. Okay, you can wait safely until help arrives. Please wear your seatbelt. Remind others to do the same thing. Thanks for joining us. Bye.